For some advanced features, Tasker needs you to connect your phone to your computer to give it some special permissions via something called ADB. Want to get rid of the prompt that comes up every time you try to take a screenshot with Tasker? Change some secret settings that you otherwise can't change? Or even react to thousands of Logcat events on your phone to open apps with your fingerprints, for example? Previously, you'd have to manually download ADB, put it somewhere on your computer, open a command line, and write some error-prone commands to get these features working. But now, you can simply download the Tasker Permissions app, click a few buttons, and you're done.